Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Android version and free space so the VPN installs cleanly. This prevents permission errors. Next, choose a reputable VPN app from Play Store based on ratings and protocol support, because stronger protocols give better security and speed. Once done, sign into your Google account and add a payment method if you'll buy a subscription. This streamlines setup. Make sure to note login credentials and any activation code, so you can finish installation without interruptions. You install the VPN app and immediately grant only the permissions it needs. This keeps access minimal while allowing the VPN to create a secure tunnel. Then, choose a protocol, WireGuard or IKEv2 for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, because protocol choice affects latency and battery. After that, enable AutoConnect or Kill Switch if available so your device stays protected when switching networks. Finally, pick a nearby server for speed or a specific country to access region-locked content. You tap Connect and wait for the app to report an active tunnel. Confirm the VPN icon in the status bar or a persistent notification so background traffic is covered. Then verify your new IP and location in a browser to ensure routing through the VPN, and run a DNS leak check to confirm DNS requests are private. If the connection fails, try toggling airplane mode, switching protocols, or reinstalling the app. These steps clear cached network states and often resolve common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.